So this is our Subaru WRX. We've been working on this for months, but it currently has one big problem: rust.
Oh, yeah.
So instead of paying a pro thousands to fix it, we went to Temu and bought the most expensive Flux Core welder we could find. Why? I don't know. Was this all a good idea? Let's find out. But before we potentially blow up our car, we still need to figure out what we have to do. We started by pulling the side skirt, and the moment we opened it, yeah, traces of rust everywhere.
Oh, turns.
And bolts snapping.
Well, you can take it off. Okay, rust again. This doesn't look good, but this definitely doesn't look good.
Structural rust found, but this was only the beginning.
This should be fixed before it can go on the road, I think.
And we have to get it road legal this week, because otherwise we'll get a fine.
And today,
Gonna unpack our new welder.
take up power!
So the unit arrived, and does it actually look the same as advertised? This thing is actually over 700 bucks. We have a track record of bad decisions with this car. We paid 5,000 for it. The Driveshaft already popped out, which we also have to fix. Is this gonna be another bad decision?
We overpaid.
Jeez,
Huge.
huge!
What she said.
What she said in your dreams. Whoa, that's a big unit. Look at him flexing.
Ta-da!
Just look at the difference.
Comparing to our old
How
welder.
small that thing is, how big that thing is. We also bought some, yes, Welder welding wire.
Temu also.
Let's see how this works.
Let's set it up.
What? Damn! Hit on the head like a bitch.
Is that a good sign?
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear something. But hey! Yo, look at this display. Okay, so now we have the device.
First we need to remove the fender, but they made that harder than it should be. Accessing this bolt.
Or do we have to put the car all the way down? Didn't know that.
For one bolt. Corner.
Any surprises? No.
Surprises? Rust? More rust?
No.
No rust.
It's not too bad.
Oh, and we have a fender.
Red one. Why they're always
And
red?
now we had to check how bad the rust really
Oi,
was.
oi.
What's hard and what was rusted to hell.
It's hard here. Here. So let's cut this out. See what we encounter.
Discover.
So we're slowly uncovering the rust, figuring out how bad it actually is, how far the rust extends, and how much we need to replace.
And well, it's basically just this hole. So it's rotten here, and they just put something over it. There's a lot of dirt in here.
So it actually seemed like they already tried to repair this.
Holes here, holes here. I think we have to cut it open and just see what's under.
Super soft.
Yeah, I don't think it's really strong.
But there was also a lot of stuff inside.
I think I found the box of Pandora of unlimited kit.
How much can actually be stored in there?
Since we don't have a grinder,
Because someone took the grinder
we're gonna patch these holes up.
with.
Our new welder. Let's see if it works. Safety first.
I'm not sure because the material doesn't seem very strong. So not sure if you can.
Probably gonna burn through, but well,
There's only one way to find out.
we'll see.
Ooh, sounds good.
You can immediately feel the difference.
Yeah.
When comparing it to this welder.
You hear it, right?
Yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Very, also not like.
Not really.
It's too thin.
But
Yeah, it sounds good already.
much better.
The angle grinder is back. So we cut out a small piece, hoping that it is enough. So far the metal has been too thin to really weld on properly. Yeah, and that's the problem, rust on the inside.
Anti-rust primer.
This should convert a little bit of the surface rust in there.
Rust converter.
Made a small piece to cover the hole.
And nobody can see it anymore. Even though the car still looks really horrible, these small steps make it feel like we're progressing. And that is something that's so important when doing these kind of project cars. Okay, and with that, we're slowly closing this haul. Almost ready for the next big step. It's not done yet, but we'll come back and fix it. Now the real problem, the big fat haul. Hopefully it doesn't extend all the way up and we have to grind up everything.
Ta-da! What's inside? Looks worse than it is.
I don't like the look of it.
This is still hard. Let's clean it up.
So I'm getting rid of as much rust as possible. While doing that, Ka made a plan of how to fix this.
Do some spot welds and then hammer it in place, I think. That's the trick.
I don't think we can rebuild the whole thing.
We can, but it will take 1 day. This is not a showroom restoration. We're just saving it from the scrapyard. Oh, cha! In the eye. Okay, let's weld.
So now time for the big stuff. Let's see how this welder holds up.
Ok, done. Now we hammer it in place.
So we decided to weld something over it. This is under the car and this will also increase the rigidity in the structure. So we slowly hammer and weld it in place. But it's not really a straightforward process because there's a lot of bends and kinks in there. It's not a straight panel. But before we finish...
I see smoke. A little bit. Can't really see it.
Always gotta be careful when welding because the interior of the car can catch fire and we don't want that.
Welding is done.
Time to try something new.
New sealant.
Pop. This one is done. What? It's time for some
Oh, it's more flexible than the old can be.
yeah, a lot more flexible. Yeah. So, by doing this, hopefully everybody thinks that there's nothing here.
The reason?
Sealed from the water, rust, rain.
This is something to do to protect your welds from rusting again. So you always put some sealer on top. But maybe just a little bit nicer than this. But what about the
To
inside?
protect the inside, we have a hollow section wax. So we spray it inside.
Get in the hole. Protect it from the inside.
Oh, what do you have? Under?
Under seal.
Hey!
Look.
Oh, like new, yes.
Bam.
Like factory. Well, not really, but better than a big fat hole. So with this, the underside of the car is pretty much done. No more holes.
Temu to celebrate with some food.
Doesn't this look delicious?
It is actually quite good.
Yeah, always good.
Not that healthy, I think.
Back to work because there is more rust. Because on the other side of the car we found some rust and it was time to investigate it.
Looks like someone tried to repair this, but not so well.
It's a weird patch job.
A really weird patch job.
Time to clean it up and cut this patch out and see what it's all about.
What is this? Oh,
Krusty. Oh.
oh, this is the hell. And this is why it rusts.
If there's so much stuff in there, the inside must be bad also. So we have to open it up and see. Yeah, that's rusty. But is it rotten or still hard?
Still hard.
Well, that's a relief, but we cut a little bit more to see if there's more rust.
Rust. Let's clean it up first.
Using a wire brush to clean it up. So while I put some rust converter on, Ka makes the panel. Then spot weld it in place. But now comes the hard part. Making this panel fit perfectly. So we shouldn't cut too much. If you follow our other projects, you would know we have a little bit of a track record with that. There's a side skirt still going over this, but you want to make it as flush as possible. Okay, here we go. If you also think that this car deserves to be safe, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to follow the project.
Okay, so we've welded a new piece in. It's looking okay, I guess. Not that nice, but
Now
until
close it up because it's raining outside.
for now.
We're gonna fix this later, promise.
And later
Nice
is when
and
we
smooth.
do the bodywork of the car.
Okay, we fixed this.
But more importantly, we fixed this hole from this
Like factory.
to this.
Well, not really, but better than a big fat hole. Okay, so this Deka Power one, I have to say it welds a lot better. But also at the price point, it's more expensive.
It also has a lot more features than most.
MIG settings, electrodes, cut and TIG weld.
But what we like the most?
Was really consistent in the feeding, but it has like double rollers as well. Since we have this machine, I think I'll be using this machine instead of the Parkside one.
But to make the car fully road legal, we had one more thing to do. Fixing the drive shaft that popped out.
This is always the most annoying part of all cars, removing suspension.
So when we fix this, we can go for the final check and everything should be okay then. At least that's what we thought.
In.
But when we were ready to go for a check, this happened. The car wouldn't start anymore and it is not the battery. To be continued.
Hit the like and the subscribe button, and next time, what the